So I'll just start with a small intro about Innoville. Okay. So Innoville was formed in 1924. Okay, by Anne, who was also a nurse. So they started in Manchester. They met with 27 people on exactly on Jan 10th, 1924, and they launched this Innoville Club. So from that year onwards, Jan 10th is known as National Innoville Day. And now we have Innoville clubs in more than 100 plus countries, and we have 1 million Innoville members on the whole. I mean, now definitely the numbers would have been increased, but 10 years ago it was 1 million. So now they yet to take the statistics of total number of people, but it must be around say somewhere around 5 lakhs now. Okay, that is the statistics we have. And our Innerville district is called as 323. Innerville district 323. Rotary district is 3232. Innerville is just 323. And we have totally 57 clubs. Yeah, today morning we had a new club being installed. So totally we have 57 clubs in our district, in this Chennai district. So when I say Chennai district, it also includes Vellore, Ambur. I mean the outer areas, they are also included in the territory of Innerville district 323, and that still carries on. Though Rotary has bifurcated, Vellore, Ambur, Vanyambadi, all those places are different districts. 3231 when it comes to Rotary, and 3232 when it comes to our Chennai region. But Innerville, all of them stays united. It is district 323. Okay, so that is the stay over here. And yes, as I have already informed you, I guess, our Innerville Club of Chennai Fort St. George was formed on 14th February 2014. 14th Feb 2021. So this year only we launched it, and it was really nice to have 13 vibrant members when we started our club, and now we are looking to expand it with more people from various walks of life, so that we can together achieve more. So I'll quickly walk through the projects that we have done so far. Okay. Yeah. So hope this presentation is visible to all. Shanti and Revati, can you please confirm?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Great, great. So yeah. Um, okay, so we started with an outing along with our Rotary Club, and we also had our kids taking part in it. We had been to Blue Lagoons, so it was a fun-filled day on that day. So we started with a club bonding activity to begin with. Then we had been to industrial visit to Annai Foods. Uh, Annai Foods, they are mainly into manufacturing attas and wheat. I mean, they are a mill who supplies to majority of brands in and around Tamil Nadu. So we had been to that industrial visit. Then this is our installation function where 13 of us got installed in the presence of Usha Sarogi ma'am. I mean, the person in the middle, she is Miss Usha Sarogi. She was the chairman of our district last year. So when I said there are 53 clubs, there would be a governing person who governs all the 53 clubs. So we call them as our chairman. So Usha Sarogi, she was our chairman. You would have heard about the brand Go Colors. Have you heard about Go Colors, Shanti and Revati?
Yes, I think leggings and other things, right?
Yeah, for leggings.
Okay.
So that brand is a part of Meridian Apparels, okay, which is headed by Mr. Vinod Sarogi. And Usha Sarogi, she is spouse of Vinod Sarogi, is Australian. So yeah, she was heading last year, and this was our installation function. So see, we have Chandra ma'am. Where is she? Okay, Chandra ma'am was not present on that day. So this is Miss Jansi. They're all our members. I'll just introduce them to you. This is Miss Jansi. This is Mrs. Pushpakala. This is Miss Krishna Priya. This is okay. Yeah, this is Balika. She would be our secretary for this year as well. Yeah, this is Mrs. Padmini. This is Ms. Jayanti. This is Mrs. Shashikala. This is Ms. Gayatri. Unfortunately, she's no more with us because she got affected in COVID. And yeah, sorry for that. And she is Dr. Lata. Uh, and yeah, these are all district people from district. And this is Mrs. Komal. She is from our sponsoring Innerville Club. So Innerville Club of Madras Fort has sponsored Innerville Club of Chennai Fort St. George. Okay, so this is the small introduction. And this is Mrs. Kamala Selvam. She is heading our district for this year. For 21-22, she is heading our district. So you keep on changing the chairman every year. So even the board keeps on changing every year. Um, yeah, so she is our chairman currently. Okay, and this was the first official project after the installation, wherein we distributed 1,000 masks and sanitizers. Okay, for government school students in MMDA. Then this Women's Day celebration, wherein this ma'am over here, she's Dr. Rose Rachel from from uh, from Mala Hospital, I guess. So we just acknowledged her service during Rotary, during COVID. So she opened her clinic and she was serving all the COVID patients. Even during pandemic, she didn't stop her service. So in order to recognize her service, we initiated this program. So this is the entire team again, and there all our Innerville members, they were recognized by their own uh, partners. So this was a very surprising moment for all of them. Yeah, now this is Chandra ma'am, who is along with us in this meeting. Yeah, and we had a speaker meeting which was by a speaker called as Sri Devi. She's an international speaker. She takes care of image branding, self motivation. I mean, she's a great speaker. She's into abroad education. She's into lots of things, brand building and many more things. So she was speaker to our club and she spoke on the topic how to be happy always. And then we had another speaker meeting called as Sculpture Your Future, wherein we had three speakers. So we had Mr. Krishnan, who spoke on why you should have some financial freedom after retirement. And we had Mr. Arshad, who is seated down here. He spoke on parenting. And I was also one of the speaker, and I spoke on Posh and Foxo. And this was yet another speaker meeting by Mr. Nanda Kumar. So he spoke on the topic pain to gain, whereas he is an emotional wellness coach. He spoke on how to manage stress on day-to-day basis. Then yeah, we have yet another speaker project by Mr. Shashiraman, So this is the person, Shashiraman. He spoke on how to cure yourself without taking any medication, just by regularizing our food habits, how we can cure ourselves. So that's what he spoke. It was a very informative session. Okay, so we also donated 1 month grocery kit to Cheshire Home. Okay, so this is one of the home wherein we do projects regularly. So this differently abled kids are here. When I say differently abled, they are in all the walks of life. And yes, we provided groceries for them. Then, yeah, this was a district project called as Harita Banam, wherein we did the Miyawaki foresting in one of the government schools, along with Greater Chennai Corporation. So, if you see number 14, IWC of Chennai Fort St. George, Yashodhi Damodaran. So we contributed 5,000 rupees for this project, and as a recognition, all the participating clubs and president's name is permanently registered in that urban forest, and we have this board that's going to be placed there. And this is like for current year, this is one of the projects that we have taken, decomposting. So we had Ms. Anandi from Madras Fort Club. She spoke on decomposting and how we can change our kitchen waste into manure. So this is one of the things that everybody is going to take up this year. And we had our general body meeting. So that's it. This was the entire presentation on our club. So project that we have done in short span of 4 months. And I would like to highlight one more thing. So we have an annual subscription of 3,000 rupees in our club, okay, which will be utilized for various meetings, and accounts for same would be maintained by Ms. Chandra, who was just with us. So she's the treasurer of our club and she's maintaining entire accounts. There would be pure transparency, as in how much are we spending, how much money has been collected, what is the project we are going to do, and what is the amount we are going to spend on that. So everything will be detailed explanation will be there. Okay, and yeah, so I'll stop the recording here.